Hi everyone, hope you all are doing great. Today I've got for you another haul from Club Factory, but this time the haul is of sling bag and a wallet. That is, I have tried two different kinds of, that is one sling bag and one wallet from Club Factory. Before this haul, I've already made one haul, separate haul from Shein. In that I've shared a few sling bags, I guess. Yes, sling bags and other bags I've already shared from Shein. Also I have made another one haul from Lulu and Sky. Also that haul is also up on my channel. If you all want, I can link that haul on the I button, or else you can check in my you can go to my channel, you can check that haul also. From Lulu and Sky also I had ordered few wallets and few bags and all, so you can check that haul as well. And all the videos are up on my channel, so you all can visit my channel, and there are a lot of other options for the videos. You can check that different videos. If you all are interested, definitely you all can watch that. Before moving ahead with today's video, let me please tell you to kindly subscribe my channel. That is, you can press the red subscribe button. Next to it there is a small bell icon, you can hit that bell icon as well. If you all press that bell icon, you will be notified from the YouTube about all my future videos, and you won't be missing out any of them. And you will be getting the notification from time to time. Now let's begin with the video. Chalo. The first thing I would like to show you is the sling bag. You can see it came in this kind of plastic bag, as you all know. The outer packaging I've already thrown, but this I've kept. I came in this kind of plastic poly bag, and this is the opening of the particular sling bag. You can see this is the opening. This is a holographic bag. Right now it is in very much trend. You can check. It came with this kind of packaging, and this is the chain. You can see this is the chain. The quality of the chain is quite good. I'm happy with the quality of the chain, but I'm not happy with the quality of this particular bag. It is, very flimsy, not sturdy the way in which I expected. It is not up to that mark, but for the price which I paid, it's okay, and you can get this much space. So if you all want to keep, you can just keep your wallet, small wallet, of course, a small wallet, one lipstick, one small chotu comb, I think one compact and one lipstick, and keys. And here some bills and maybe some money or something, or maybe some cards you can keep here. Okay, so this is the holographic sling bag which I ordered from the Shein. From Club Factory. You can find this kind of bag on Shein also, but I guess the quality from the Shein bag is much better than what I got it from Club Factory. Of course, there is a variation for the price as well. Now it depends upon you where you want to give a shot. If you want to try from Club Factory, this bag is okay. Maybe I can say what marks I can give this bag is around 6 out of 10. Yeah, because I had paid less money also. Okay, now you will say, why I ordered from Club Factory, why not from Shein? The purpose, like, my mistake was I just saw it on Club Factory and immediately ordered it. I never checked on Shein. If I would have been known earlier, then I would have ordered definitely from Shein, because the quality of the Shein bags and all I've already tried, and they are much better as compared to Club Factory. That's what I believe. Of course, price variation is there. So I've already shown you this bag. It came with this kind of I don't know, some pouches, maybe some gel, silica, or maybe something which keeps the bag intact without any fragrance or maybe bad odor or something. And the quality of the chain is quite okay. As I told you, I like this chain. So if you are going for with some friends or something out or something, then you can take this kind of bag. It's okay, not so great quality, but theek hai, okay. This is the first bag. The other bag which I ordered is this kind of wallet. It's not a bag, it's a wallet. It came in this kind of packaging. I just, for your purpose, I wanted to show you, I kept in all this wrapping and all. It came with, see, sorry, I was out of focus, I'm so sorry. This is the butter paper, and this is the wallet which I ordered. Basically, I have seen lot of wallets, but I wanted specially this kind of clip, because I lost one of my wallet which was having this kind of clip. So I'm fond of this kind of clip. I wanted. Now this is a butter paper which they kept, just some. Okay, the clip and all is very good quality. You can see here you can keep cards, 2 cards. Here you can keep some money if you all want. Here you can keep 3 more cards, so total 5 cards. Here also you can keep money. Here also you can keep money. Here there is nothing. Here here. Here you can keep some photo ID or something which you can show if you want to show someone, right? Here is a big pocket, you can see, and inner lining and everything is of very good quality. It's a polka dot material with a pinkish outside, and here also there is one opening I can show you for cards and all. See, that was a bigger opening, this is a smaller opening. 1 2 3, again 3 cards. Here you can keep some money, here also you can keep some photo ID or something. So total you all can see how many, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 cards, and money for keeping the money. One here you can keep photo ID or something, so 2 for photo ID, one here and one here, 2 for photo ID. Here one big opening for your bigger currencies and something. Here you can keep any change or maybe some small accessories or anything if you want to keep. So this wallet, as per me, this wallet is a big thumbs up. Of course it was little costly, maybe around 450 or maybe 500, I'm not sure. But if you all want the link, you all can let me know down in the comment section. I'll share you the link also for this particular wallet, and you all can buy this wallet. In this there are color options available, and yeah, in this holographic purse there were I think 2 to 3 options. Pink holographic, then I think blue, and then I think green, I'm not sure, but there were options for this as well. I went for this silver holographic image effect, I mean, and for this I went for pink color option, watermelon pink something, I think watermelon red, yeah, watermelon red color. So for this wallet it's a big thumbs up. I actually wanted to get this wallet offline, that is I went to lot of stores and all, but I never find this kind of clip, and I am fond of this kind of clip. So I went, as soon as I saw this on Club Factory, I ordered it because this was quite cheap on Club Factory. On other sides it was little costly. For this, thumbs up, 100% you all can buy. And there are a lot of other options also for wallet. This is a mini wallet, so if you all want to keep in this kind of purse, you all can keep, but this is little bulky. Of course for this sling bag it is little bulky. I have not got this for this bag, I have got actually to keep it in my hobo and my other bags. For that I have got this wallet. So if you all want, you all can order this, or maybe any bag. If you are like interested, you can just let me know down in the comment section. I'll share you the link. If you all are watching till here, that means you like the video. If yes, then give this video a huge thumbs up, share this video with your friends and family, and thank you so much for watching.